So, hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite nurse, Amara, in the building. In today's video, I want to share with us different faces that people carry to work, especially women. And this can also be narrowed to faces that nurses carry to work on a daily basis. Now, the first thing is some people, after cleansing their faces, they apply something we call the moisturizer. They moisturize their face. We have a facial moisturizer, different kinds of face moisturizer. So in this video, I was applying a face moisturizer on my face like most ladies out there do. And this should be followed by other things, vitamin C, bobo tibo, and a sunscreen. But in this video, I did not apply my sunscreen because I wasn't going anywhere. But I know even if you are going somewhere or not, you do apply it. So this is how my face looks after applying my moisturizer. So let's go straight into the main video. Now, the first category of people are the people that carry their faces to work after applying the moisturizer or their sunscreen without any eye pencil, powder, or lip gloss. They just like their face like this. Now, the second group are the people that like to apply either white powder like I'm doing here. They will apply white powder on their faces using their hands, or some will use a facial foam like this to apply the white powder or a brown powder on their face, and this is the only thing that they apply to their face before going to work. Just like I'm looking here, no eye pencil, no lip gloss, just powder. Then the third group of people are the ones that add lip gloss to their face after rubbing their powder. Continue so that you tell me your category. Then the fourth category are the people that just enhance their brows using a light eye pencil like I was doing in this video, or like I'm doing in this video, using an eye pencil to enhance my brows, then using it also to define my lips before applying the lip gloss. But you know, I've already applied lip gloss before, so I'm continuing the video with that. So there are some people that the only thing they do is rub powder, apply, enhance their brows, and just a lip gloss, and off they go to work. Then the Group 5 are those that use a concealer to define their brows like I was doing in this video. So they use it to enhance and define the brows. So these people, that's the only thing they apply. They will enhance the brows and add a lip stain. I was just trying to make the video to not to be so fast. So they will just apply their brows and also use a concealer to define it with a lip gloss, and off they go to work. So I don't know which category you are in this video, but ensure you tell me when this video ends. So let's go to the next group of people. The next group of people are those that apply lip stain after they must have defined their brow. They just apply a little lip stain to enhance their face, and after that they are off to work. This is just it. This is it. Eyebrows, concealer. Then the last group of people are those that go to work with full face makeup. Like if they don't make their faces up like this, they are not going anywhere. I can sometimes come into this category if I have the whole time in the world in the morning to prepare to work. If not, before you see me with a 12-hour shift, carry full face makeup, the thing is not easy. So the last category of people are those that make their face fully to work. And I know there are some people that cannot even step out of their houses if their faces are not fully made like this. So I know you enjoyed this video. Kindly tell me the group where you belong to, and if you like this video, leave a comment, like, and drop and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.
Have you subscribed? Have you? Have you subscribed? Have you? Have you subscribed? Have you?